Shen Fa of the Fire Mountain School of Chinese Martial Arts and Energy Fitness Training. The video that follows was shot a couple weeks before the coronavirus pandemic and the stay in shelter order. It's 8 weeks at least since we shot this video. Originally, it was designed to serve as a study aid for the beginning students, as a reference for them to have to begin learning warm-ups. Then the pandemic hit and we entered into a period of uncertainty and change and conflict and suffering and stress that's unprecedented in the history of humanity, quite honestly. The school was founded on the belief that, energy is the key to unlocking the best in human nature and limiting the worst in human nature, and also keeping us healthy and adaptable through periods of change like we're in right now. Because currently, the stress management techniques, they center around a couple basic principles, and I want you to have something to augment it. First off, most stresses avoid right away. You avoid whatever stress you can, resign yourself to whatever stress you can avoid, and that's, you kind of grit it out until you get the job done. And then afterwards, you seek relief. You kick back and relax. But we don't have those options quite now. We are living in a state of perpetual demand with uncertainty and change. So I want people to have the energy that they need, that empowers them naturally to be highly adaptable and healthy through times like these. In the past, it was like a microburst and it ended in a period of time, but we don't know when this is going to end. We don't even know if we get out of the quarantine, if we're going to stay out. So there's so much uncertainty going around, but you don't have to worry about that. You focus on building your energy, and things have a way in the human spirit of working out for the best. Even when we go through times of terrible change and pain and suffering and loss and grief and all this stuff, something is resilient and amazing in the human spirit. And it's my belief in our practice that it's the energy, the inspired energy, that makes this possible. More about that in another video. But in one of the other videos that were released, you'll see it in the video list, it talks about a charger for you. So this kind of builds off of that. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, thefiremountainschool.com. You can email me at shifu@thefiremountainschool.com. You can also follow us at Huashan Shifu on Instagram. All the links will be down below. If you have any questions or comments, concerns, criticisms, observations, resentments, hullabaloo, share it in the comments below. So, thank you. I wish you well, and I hope you enjoy the video and it's helpful. I'm Shen Fa of the Fire Mountain School, and this is an introductory video to help you start building your AEQ energy. This is the Shen Fa stance, the centered stance of Wu Chan Tai Chi, and we use it in all of our martial arts at the school. It begins with crown up, chin in, tongue on the roof of the mouth. Relax the shoulders, relax the wrists. You want to knit the ribs, belly to spine, pelvic floor engaged. Activate the inner thighs, the glutes. Feel your weight in your heels, outside edge of the foot, bubbling wells, which is the balls of your feet, and extend the toes. So, in our training, we try to maintain that structure all the way through, whether we're doing Kung Fu or Tai Chi, or we're doing a reset of our energy. So now you're here like this. You want to round your back, but keep your back straight. It's the shoulder blades that are moving across the back. This is called Bao Bei. This is called Han Shung. Rise up, push down to the feet, up to the crown. Exhale, shoulder blades come around to the sides. If you notice, my hands roll out in Bao Bei, and they face each other in Han Shung. Good. So, I'm going to turn to the side so you can see from the side. Exhale, eyes on, observe, inspire, move. Open, sink down, around the back. Back stays straight. I push up through the crown, down to the feet, open the hands. Exhale. Inhale. All right, I'm going to turn one more time so you can see from the back. All right, so we go. Around the back. Back stays straight. 22 Yi Da. Extended. Crown up, chin in, tongue on the roof of the mouth. Nip the ribs, belly, spine. Pelvic floor engaged. All right. Exhale. Inhale. Good. So, that leads you to this. So you start back in a center position. 22 Yi Da, you set the structure first. Step out, pull back the legs, shift the weight. Round just like we just went over. Now you're going to sink. And then you're going to rise up, pull back and down. Crown up, push through the feet, extend the toes. All right, so now palms become hooks, hooks become fists. Fists become hooks, hooks become palms. Body up, hands down, body down, hands up. So you want to inhale, exhale. Eyes on, observe, inspire, move. Body relaxed and soft. Make space for energy. Inhale. Exhale. So if your breathing is relaxed and your movement is fluid and you're gathering observations using your eyes, and you observe with your eyes inspired movement, put your best effort into it. As you're moving, over time your AQ will build and you'll get the benefit of dynamic energy. Now this is the very basic form. There are some more skills and details that you need to learn about, but this is enough to get you going. And if you have any other questions, please contact us at the school. And then in all of our forms we end to close the circle